Hi there! When you're on a budget and you want to buy Bluetooth headphones, what do you look for in them? Good build quality, good sound quality, long battery life, extra heavy bass. They should be comfortable to be worn for long hours, they should look premium, and of course they shouldn't burn a hole in your pocket. Right? So here is the Boult Audio Flex Bluetooth headphones. They're currently selling on Amazon for 1500 rupees. In this video, we're going to do an unboxing and review this product. So continue watching this video. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So here is the Boult Audio Flex Bluetooth headphones. Let's see what's written on the box. It mentions lightweight and comfort fit, protein leather padding, 8-hour battery life, aux Bluetooth input, built-in mic, deep bass and 3D acoustics, and built-in subwoofer. Wow. Okay, you have the 3.5 to 3.5mm audio headphone jack, so you can plug headphones into it when the juice runs out. Then you have the micro USB to USB cable to charge it. You have the user manual. And finally, the Bluetooth headphones. So let's have a physical overview. As you can see, it's a black and beige combination. Gives it a little premium look. But is it really that premium? Oh, it's plastic. So you can see it's plastic everywhere. You have this aluminium hinge. Anyway, so how are the cushions? Well, the cushions are nice and soft. Okay, you have the Boult branding up here. They claim that it's leather, but frankly, I'm not too sure. The quality is really impressive. It's really soft. Let's check out the cups. And the cups are also nice. They seem really soft. And this is totally plastic. The design is really nice. They've given this classic headphone kind of a look, which is good with this beige and black. So looks nice though, but the wires are an eyesore. Anyway, so you have the Boult branding and logo on the left ear cup. On the right ear cup, you have the Boult name logo. You have buttons, okay, plastic, little flimsy but very tactile buttons. So you have the power on, pairing button, play, pause, and answer the call. This is one button for everything. This is the previous track, lower the volume button. This is next track, volume up button. So these are the only three buttons I see. Okay. So here's an LED light which is blue and red, which tells us the battery is charged, slow, or it's in pairing mode. There's a micro USB port to charge the Bluetooth headphones. Here's a 3.5mm audio headphone jack to connect it to your laptop, to your mobile when the battery on this is dead. And here's a mic so you can take phone calls. So overall it looks pretty. I won't lie, it looks really pretty, but the build quality is just average. It's not that great, and the wires look really hideous. I'm sure they should have done something to conceal it. Also, another thing that I realized is that you can fold them inwards, but once you fold them inwards, you have these hinges clinging out, so they're not very portable to put in your backpacks. But still, I think they should have done something about this. With that, it looks a little flimsy. So let's wear it and see. So it's been like 2 weeks that I've unboxed this and I'm using this. So first we're going to talk about how well it fits and how comfortable it is. So when you wear them, they cover your ears totally. Yes, it covers your ear nicely. The good thing is it's not heavy like many other headphones, and it's really comfortable. It's light, it's soft, you don't feel it getting hot. Yes, that's also a very important point to mention, is that they don't get hot. Sometimes I've seen when I've worn some budget headphones, they get hot when you listen to it for a long time or at a high volume, but this doesn't get hot, and they're really comfortable. They fit really well, they snug really well. This part also is comfortable, and the cup covers your ears totally. properly. Of course, there is still sound that you can hear from outside. It doesn't block any noise from outside because there isn't any noise cancelling on this. It fits well, it's comfortable, it's light. I've worn it continuously for around 2 hours and I didn't have any problems with it. So eventually every headphone comes down to this: sound quality. Bass lovers are simply going to love this. Bass is stellar. Mids and highs are pretty balanced and good. Of course, you cannot expect it to be like Sony and Bose, but they're really good. Also, the bass is such that you can feel the woofer thump on your ears. Just like a subwoofer, you can feel the punch coming on your ear, and that's amazing. And the louder you go, the more you feel that. It's really outstanding. Now the overall sound profile is pretty flat, but the bass is excellent. No, there is no way you can set equalizers on this, but basically it's still good. The sound quality is impressive, really impressive. The vocals are crisp, the highs are crisp, they're clear. They don't feel mushy, they don't feel bad, they feel clear. The sound quality is way better compared to the price you're paying for this. Of course, it has its flaws too. First, there's no noise cancelling. I know that would be too much to ask for a 1500 rupee headphone, but yes, there's no noise cancelling. There is also another flaw in this, which is sound bleed. So if you listen to this at high volumes, the person next to you is definitely going to hear what you're listening to. So suppose you're going to wear these headphones and travel in trains or flights, make sure that you're going to listen to it at lower volumes, because once you cross that threshold of half the volume, maybe you can definitely vouch for it that the person sitting next to you is listening to everything that you're listening to. It gets really loud. Okay, that's also another thing that I have to mention. It gets really loud, way too loud for you to listen actually, unless you want to get deaf. And the bass thump doesn't even distort even at full volume. But overall, a great sound experience. The bass lovers are going to simply love it. I'm saying this for the 5th time maybe, but bass is its biggest strength. It's got amazing bass, sounds nice, it's clear, crisp, and that woofer effect on the ear, you're gonna love it. Try it out. Battery life on this is actually better than what they claimed. They claimed it's 8 to 10 hours, but I've been using this for over 2 weeks and I've been using it for roughly around an hour every day. It's been like 14 hours if you calculate that way, maybe a little here and there, but there's still juice remaining in this. Battery life won't disappoint you. Yes, there are a couple of headphones that work for 20 hours, 25 hours. They claim 8 to 10 hours, and yes, it works for 8 to 10 hours, definitely more than 8 to 10 hours. So battery life on this device is good. So the Boult Flex headphones can accept calls when paired with your phone, but there's a bummer. Whenever I use this for phone calls and I test it for phone calls, when you click the button, you can receive a call, you can start talking, but the opposite person would always tell me they are able to hear themselves again. So probably because there is no second noise cancelling mic, which is really a bummer. So technically you can receive calls and talk, so maybe you can just pick it up and say yes, no, I'm coming. Quick things, so quick conversations can happen, but if you're going to buy this and think I'm going to wear this and have long phone conversations using this, not recommended. So should you buy these Bluetooth headphones? Well, let's go back from where I started this video. What do you look for when you want to buy budget Bluetooth headphones? Good sound quality? Yes, really good sound quality. Good build quality? I'd say decent. Not too good, not too bad, just decent. Long battery life? Well, 10 to 12 hours of battery life, which I think is quite good. Does it have heavy bass? Yes, super bass. Very nice bass. Simply gonna love it. The bass is that good. Comfortable? Yes, very comfortable to wear for long hours. Does it look premium? Not really. Just the color combination, but it doesn't look premium. It will look like a 1500 rupee headphone, trust me. So does it burn a hole in your pocket? Not at all. For 1500 rupees, amazing sound quality, comfort, fit, you can't ask for anything more. They're just perfect. So if you're looking to buy budget Bluetooth headphones, these are the ones to go for. Absolutely recommended. If you want to buy one, I'll leave the link in the description. Click on the link and you can go ahead and buy it. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and let me know if you like this video. If there are any questions about the headphones, I'll be happy to answer them. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.